Steve and Mead again, back with a quick Bullseye Guy shortcast. What are we talking about today? One of my favorite topics. I like being sometimes a little controversial in the way that I phrase things, and it's designed to make people think, and then I back up what I'm saying. And today I'm saying there's no such thing as a blockchain company. Now, I've been saying this for years. I still say it, and people look at me, they're like, well, what do you mean? Of course there's a blockchain company. Is there really? Let's talk about it for a moment. Here's how I do it. I bring up something from the past, and some of you hopefully are old enough to remember some of these analogies. A few of you may think when I say this, oh, I don't believe it. Let's go back though, and a lot of times I'll ask people, if you're a blockchain company, then give me the name of an internet company. And people will look at me strange. I say, yeah, what's an internet company? Well, Google. No, Google's a search engine. Netflix. No, Netflix is a video distribution platform. Facebook, social network. You kind of see my point here. Visa, payment system. PayPal, payment, fintech. Most companies, when they say they're a blockchain company, when you ask them, well, what do you do? Well, we do games. So you're a game company. Oh, no. We're a blockchain company. No, you really aren't. You're a game company that happens to use blockchain to perform a function. That's no different than going back in the early days of the internet. One of the largest conferences in the world was called actually Internet World. And people would go, they're like, oh, I'm an internet company. Just because Sears, some of you may not even know Sears.com, when they put a .com on the end of their name to be a website, Sears is not an internet company. Does that make sense? Like, there is no such thing. The internet is the underlying technological framework on which so many of these segments run. And again, I've talked about it for years. The internet disrupted, displaced, or improved processes. Look at banking. Everybody thought, oh, banks are going to disappear. Banks didn't disappear, but processes changed. ATM networks, debit cards, online banking, online bill pay. You can hardly get to a teller anymore. If you go deposit cash, they charge you now a cash handling fee to get to cash because they want things to be electronic and digital. The internet changed a lot of processes in the bank. It displaced, didn't completely disrupt, but the industries have changed. That's how you need to look at blockchain. Again, we deal a lot with VCs. VCs are the same thing. I have a love-hate relationship with ventures. Many of you do. Somebody go, oh, we're a blockchain venture company. What does that mean? Oh, we invest in blockchain. Again, what does that mean? Are you investing in crypto? Are you investing in tokens? Are you investing in companies that build on blockchain? Are you investing for equity in a company that uses blockchain in the process? And what kind of company? What's the segment? Because before blockchain, if you went to a VC, they might say, oh, we're an early stage investor. We're a seed investor. And I would say, what's your sector? What do you focus on? As a seed investor, we like fintech. We like health tech. We like ag tech for agriculture. We like food tech. We like education. Venture investors are segmented. The underlying technology, it's just a given. Most of them have some internet capacity, some component of the internet within what they're doing. But VCs, venture capital focuses on function. So when a VC says, oh, I'm a blockchain company or a blockchain investor, I'm confused. Because if they're not segmented down, there is no such thing as a blockchain company. Now, again, I love the space. I love blockchain, even Moneto Pro. Are we blockchain? We won a bunch of contests in the blockchain space. I would say, yes, we're a blockchain company. The blockchain component of what we do, we're a marketplace. Moneto Pro is a marketplace like eBay or Amazon, except for big businesses. We write our invoicing on the IBM blockchain, DLT actually, distributed ledger. We use blockchain to update inventory management and audit trail. That's maybe 5% of the total solution of what we do. Does that make us a blockchain company? For now, yeah, it's good marketing. Ultimately, no, we're going to be a B2B marketplace. And then that's the space or the sector or the gap we'll be in. We might be fintech, we might be enterprise software, but there will be no more blockchain companies. That's my belief. A blockchain conference makes no sense. most of these companies will end up filtering off into their own segmented world of gaming, fintech, money 2020, real estate. Wherever you are as a company, you're going to go where that audience is, and that audience isn't going to be there because of blockchain. That's my thought for the day. So I guess this is more of a short cast than a podcast, but hopefully you enjoy it. Stephen Mead, thank you.